Good morning, everyone. Today, we're going to be finishing off the rest of the Duskmourn House of Horror Play Booster back. The 15 I have left in this Play Booster box. I just picked up another one today, and I'm still sitting on one. But, we do have something a little bit special here today. Alright, Foundations. We got 2 Foundation packs, which is the new set that just came out. And I actually picked up a collector booster pack of it too, and we'll probably crack these. I don't know. I picked up a Duskmourn play booster or collector booster pack as well, and I don't know. I only picked up 2 of these just to open them and see what we got going on, because well, I pre-ordered a box, and I'm glad I did, because I pre-ordered it. I don't know, maybe a week ago, which was a week before it came out, because it came out yesterday on the 8th, I think, November 8th. And I actually ended up saving $30 by pre-ordering it a week early at the game store, at the card store. I actually go to local game stores and support them, because that's the way to do it, to keep them in business and you know, get the good product that you want without having to wait or buy it off of Amazon, which sometimes is cheaper, but you go to the game store and you have a community there. You can play cards, open packs, talk, have a good time. That's why I like supporting my game stores. But I picked up these just to sample what we got going on. We may as well open it while we do the talking. Oof, I like it. But I picked them up just to sample, you know, kind of what we got going on here. Eaten Alive, Gnarled Colony, Refute, Healer's Hawk, Sure Strike. We got Gold Vein Pick, Prideful Parent, Dreadwing Scavenger, Brazen Scourge, a Rune Sealed Wall. Oh, it's been a long time since I pulled a wall creature. Here we have Zul Ashur, Lich Lord, a 2/2 legendary creature. It's got Ward, pay 2 life. Whenever this creature becomes the target of a spell, ability, and opponent controls, counter it unless the player pays 2 life. You may cast target zombie creature card from your graveyard, and that's if it's tapped. I actually like this. I can see this being... Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I wanted this card. I know it's back behind it. I wanted this next card. This was one of the ones that I hoped I pulled. I'm glad I did. Oh, Twin Flame Tyrant. I wanted this card. This is one of the cards that I was looking forward to pulling. The shiny version, the foil version, though, of it is much better. But this is going in my dragon deck for sure. Just look at that. Twin Flame Tyrant. That's some beautiful artwork. Beautiful artwork. Rise of the Dark Realms. And Tranquil Cove. And, alright, we got a dragon token. What's on the back? Another flying dragon token. This will also go in my dragon commander deck. I'm building a commander deck for dragons. I have it built. I just need some, I don't know. I need to change it up a little bit. And get some different stuff in there. Oh, we got another Refute. So we're already doubling up. Oh, we already got another one. Another one. Alright. Take Your Own Death. Oh, no. Fake. Fake Your Own Death. My bad. I read that wrong. Bite Down. This looks like it could be good for a dinosaur-themed deck. maybe. I don't know. I didn't really read it. Fleeting Distraction. Soul Shackled Zombie. We got Wardens of the Cycle. Midnight Snack. Okay, we got some Swiftfoot Boots. I was looking forward to this card as well, and now I finally have it. We got Painful Quandary. And underneath this, we got Zimone Paradox Sculptor. I think this is actually kind of an... I don't know. I don't know what the price is. Maybe $1. Who knows? Uncharted Voyage. A plane. And an art card. It's actually a pretty cool looking art card. And that was it for my Foundations booster opening. And it was good. I liked it. I got some cards that I was actually looking forward to drawing and hoping that I would get, and we got them. So that makes me honestly pretty happy. And then we do have these 2 collector boosters. We'll save those to the end just to see, you know, if we get some good pulls out of it. But we're going to crack open our first of the 15 packs of Duskmourn and see what we get. We got Terramorphic Expanse, Raucous Carnival, Flood Farm Verge, Piggy Bank, Veteran Survivor, Orphans of Wheat, Fear of Isolation, Clammy Prowler, Dagger Maw Megalodon, Bashful Beastie, Final Vengeance, Piranha Fly, Ragged Playmate, and Living Phone. Open up the next one. Got another token right off the top. And so the idea I kind of have behind getting and starting to buy and collect booster boxes is oh, look at that. But anyway, I think of it as it's going to be hopefully a long-term investment. Pay $150 now, and 5-10 years from now, who knows, this box could be worth $400, $500, $600. So I'm kind of buying one to open, and at the same time buying one to stick on the shelf. I'll probably honestly open one of my other 2 Duskmourn boxes I have here now. Try and fill out my collection a little bit more of Duskmourn cards after I see what I'm missing from the set, and if there's anything I really want. I don't know, maybe I'll save them, and it'd be cheaper in the long run just to buy the singles instead of opening the packs. But I like opening packs. It's addicting. It's like gambling. I don't know, it is like gambling, but it's really not. Self-control is what you need. Oh, 10-1? Dang. The Mind Skinner. That's a powerful card. But, you know, buy one to open, buy one to put on the shelf, and hopefully 10 years from now, 5 years from now, 20 years from now, whatever it is, it was a worthy investment. I mean, I think it very well could be, considering the history of cards and how they dramatically increase in price as they get older and go out of print and no longer are as available as they were at one point. But so far, out of the last year and a half, no, it's been like a year that I've been collecting Magic cards now and opening booster packs. And so far, I think this has been my favorite set so far. I think, though, that Foundations is going to outdo this set by a long shot. By a long shot. I like that there are a lot of foils, but at the same time, I feel like it kind of takes away from the value of a foil when you're pulling so many. Don't get me wrong, I like it. I like to pull a foil card because it's neat, but at the same time, it kind of feels like they're just giving you foils. Let's see if we can get some neat full arts from this set. I think I've only pulled like the one full art. Maybe I did pull a couple in the last video, but I am not entirely sure. I do not remember. It was like a week ago, 2 weeks ago. And they've just been sitting here on my desk here, on my table, which I made, by the way. I made it out of pallet wood. Just made a cheap desk. Needed a desk to put, my workstation on. Okay, I like how they did that. They took it and they made 2 cards into the artwork of 1 card. What I'm not happy about within Magic, though, is what they're now doing with Universes. Well, it's not even Universes Beyond anymore. But they're bringing it in, man. I do not. I mean, there's people out there who are gonna love the fact that they're bringing in SpongeBob and all these other IPs, but I don't know that I like that. I got into Magic for Magic being Magic. Okay, what got me into it? I guess I'm not gonna lie when I tell you that, but what got me into it? The first pack or booster box I ever opened was Lord of the Rings, and then that got me into collecting cards. I always liked collecting cards. We got another one of these. I had a big card collection at one point, and I gave it to my brother, and I no longer have it. And I figure at some point when I have children, when I have a son or a daughter, most likely a son, would be more interested in this. I'm not saying women can't be, but I feel like we're probably gonna have more. It's more of a like a male type of thing. Personal opinion. Like I said, it's for everybody, but I'm sure there's more men interested in it than women. I guess I don't even know what some of the big chase or pull cards are from this set. I am doing it purely out of the interest of, well, I just have a great interest in this set. I like the art. But anyway, as I was saying about the universes within, is Lord of the Rings got me started on collecting cards, and I thought it was neat, but I really do like, I mean, you couldn't use them unless you were doing Commander or something like that, and you would, you know, it would have to be either against another Universes Beyond deck or Commander cards. And that's where I put most of them, is in Commander decks. I made specifically Lord of the Rings Commander decks because I love Lord of the Rings. Whoa, a 9/9. Look at that. A 9/9. Altanka, the Thrice Called. That's some crazy art. Like, what's even going on there? 7? So, 7 mana, 9/9. I think that's actually... That's a good card. We're going to set it off to the side. That's a good card. There's actually a lot of powerful cards in this set. I guess I don't know because I haven't played with them yet. Because mana and this and ability are what make a card good. Like, if it's a high power card with a good ability for lower mana, man, you're talking about getting a good turn advantage or 2-turn advantage over your player or your opponent, depending on draws. But I mean, you're talking about card advantage when you're playing lower mana cost cards that have a higher power. I'm not saying that is a lower mana cost card. 7 for 9/9. That's honestly pretty good. I think. I mean, yeah, it's pretty good. Oh, we got this in a foil. Got another island. But with Universes Within bringing in SpongeBob and Spider-Man, I'm not even sure what other sets there are that are coming in. I just know for sure SpongeBob and Spider-Man. I don't like that. You're gonna make SpongeBob magic cards? Why? SpongeBob, to me, is not something that should go in Magic. It just doesn't fit. I get that you're trying to bring in new people, but SpongeBob and Spider-Man, like, I get there's a lot of Spider-Man fans, but I can't even watch Marvel movies anymore. It's just rinse and repeat, you know? And that's like how everything is now. Is rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. The last Marvel movie I watched, I don't even remember. It was one of the new ones, but it was terrible. I thought it was terrible. And, ooh, Gloom Lake Verge. Look at that. Tapped, add water, mana, or blue mana. Tap, add a... Okay, wait. Let me think here. Island is blue. Swamp. It says right here. Doi! I don't know what's going on. I couldn't think. Oh, we dropped it. We dropped it. Legendary artifact creature toy. Arabella. Abandoned doll. I like this horror set. It's good. It's good. It's good. That sound that these cards are making as I'm moving them is not good. Not good. Alright, we're down to the last couple of Duskmourn packs here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 packs of Duskmourn left out of this play booster box. Let's see if we can pull anything good. We already got that. I'm seeing a lot of doubles, you know what I mean, at this point. There's a lot of doubles, but then again, there's a lot of new stuff that I haven't seen before. I just want everything good, you know? I'm selfish. Alright, I've seen too many of these. If you don't like clowns, then that's probably pretty freaky to you. But I've seen too many. No more. Cracked that one open real good. Cursed Windbreaker, a Swamp, and another double. I don't know how I feel about these double cards. It's 2 cards for 1, but you can only play 1 of them. I mean, yeah, it's good. It's a good new mechanic, but I don't know how I feel about it. Man, if you don't like clowns, there's a lot of clowns in this set. Probably not gonna like some of these cards. Feel all weirded out by them or something. Oh, look at this art card. Got all these hands coming through the door. And it's, oh, they're breaking through the door is what they're doing. They just broke through the door. Coming to get you. Creature Constructs. Malevolent Chandelier. And Etched Cornfield. Cursed Recording. Whoa, Focus. Diversion Specialist. Fear of Falling. Double card. Baelmerk Leech. Cryptid Inspector. Crackling Slasher. Erratic Apparition. A Glimmerlight. Scorching Dragonfire. Living Phone. Friendly Teddy. Alright, we're on our last Duskmourn play booster. This is number 15, and then we're going to hit 1 collector booster of Duskmourn, and then a collector booster of the brand new set, Magic the Gathering Foundations. I don't think I'm going to get anything too cool out of them, so I just got to talk myself down right away so I don't get disappointed when I don't get anything at all. They're expensive. $25 a pack. I've never opened collector boosters before either, so this is the first time I've ever opened a collector booster. I've always only done play boosters or draft boosters or set boosters. Okay. Oh, this is gonna hurt. It hurts already looking at it and thinking about opening it. I feel like even the foil itself is different. It feels different. It feels thicker. Thicker and stiffer. That's what she said. Oh, baby. What do we got? What do we got? Flip it over. Let me hold this here. I clear a spot out so I can set these aside and not get them all mixed up. Because I'm probably gonna keep my collector booster separate from them. Just separate it out. We got a foil treasure. Oh, Oh, okay. I'm looking at the back of the cards right now. Flip it over. We got an appendage amalgam. Twist reality. Cautious survivor. These are all the commons. So this should be the last common. Yes. No? No. Okay. We got 2 more commons. So then we got a resurrected cultist. Anthropede. Midnight Mayhem. Let's play a game. Another uncommon. A scrambling skull crab. A intruding soul rager. A land. A flood farm burge. Phenomenon investigator. What is that? That was an uncommon. Oh no, we're getting into rares. These are rares. I don't know what this is actually. We got comeback raw. Enduring tenacity. And enduring innocence. Well, there was nothing too good in that pack. Like I said, didn't expect anything major anyway. But let's open up this, and we have a chance of getting something really cool out of this brand new pack of these brand new cards of the brand new set. Man, it really doesn't want to open. It wants to open up at the top here. What is going on? Come on. Hopefully don't mess up the corners. Alright, there we go. Slide that out. Oh, they're all facing the right way this time. But we got a spirit. On the back side, it's a cat. These aren't backwards, are they? They totally are. Well, our good pulls are going to be first. So we got an Abyssal Harvester. Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious? Really? Are you serious? I paid $25 for this? For it to double up? Dude, are you serious? I'm disappointed. I am very disappointed in that. Genesis Wave. A land. An offer you can't refuse. A Tatoiva Bethnic Druid. Arcane Epiphany. Tragic Banshee. Swiftwater Cliffs. Bushwhack. Gutless Plunderer. Squad Rallier. And Sanguine Siphoner. Well, now I'm thoroughly disappointed in buying these. I spent $50 on these 2 packs. And I don't know, man. I don't think it was worth it. I definitely lost money, that's for sure. In that. Like, I was hoping for something cool. We didn't get it. We didn't get it. We did not get it. Let's see if we at least got... I don't even think we got a legendary creature out of these other one. Oh, we did. We got Tatoiva. I'm pretty sure I have her already. Man, this really bothers me. This bothers me right here. That I went Abyssal Harvester and then behind it, oh, Abyssal Harvester. Come on. Really? In the same pack? Like one after the other? One's foil and one's not, but the foil is like... I'd rather have it not foil, to be honest. Well, I'm disappointed now. I am disappointed. I don't know what to say. Well, that's it for today and this one. And I'm going to probably wait until I get the Foundations boosters before I do another video. So that'll be on the 15th. I think they're supposed to be coming. So on the 15th, expect a new video for Magic the Gathering Foundations. The 15th of November. Alright, everybody. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day. Fantastic rest of your evening, morning, whatever time you're watching. Have a good day.